Alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Okay, next weather, Chief Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera has his eye on Arlene, which is headed south towards Cuba. Going to affect us or not?
Yeah, indirectly it will. And I know we've got, flood watches, we've got Arlene, but we also had a weekend here, and I don't want you to think it's going to be a complete washout. It's not going to be raining every minute of the entire weekend. In fact, we're going to have a nice few breaks. It's just things are saturated. The ground can't take much more water, so the thunderstorms that develop can produce some locally heavy downpours and flooding. So we'll talk all about that, and of course, Arlene. Radar and clouds right now. Things are winding down. We had an early start today. Sometimes we get a later start, and this goes on through the evening, so this bodes well for your outdoor plans tonight if you're heading out. We still have this flood advisory, not from the rain that's falling. That's done. It's from the rain that fell through Parnell and Coral Springs, several inches of accumulation, upwards of 3 inches, in fact, so that flood advisory in effect before 6 o'clock, and there are some of the totals. Pretty good footprint, though, of rainfall, particularly down across Homestead and up towards Broward as well. So, yes, Arlene is a tropical storm. Now we have tropical depression, so now we have 40-mile-an-hour winds, but you can see the thunderstorm activity is to the north and east, not wrapping around. We've got cumulus clouds kind of wrapping here, and so that's an indication of a lopsided system. We like that. It's disorganized. It's not going to have much more time to organize. In fact, the forecast is for this thing to go downward as far as wind speeds, 35, back to a depression, 30, 25, and then really I think between Saturday and Sunday this thing's just going to be a remnant low, not going to look what it's looking like right now by any stretch. Part of the reason is the wind shear, those upper level winds that cut through the thunderstorms that try to wrap around. That's why it's having issue now. Well, if it's having issues now, look at this, just a very significant wind that's going to be cutting across it here. That's that big trough. Now it is going to pull some moisture in our direction, so we're still going to be game for showers and storms and some locally heavy rainfall, but it's going to be indirect effects. This is also what it's dealing with. We also like this dry air up above that tends to inhibit any additional development, but even if the dry air wasn't there, the winds would take care of it. These are the hot zones for June. This is the areas that we look at, and the forecast, of course, is going to be 1 year average. So we have one on the list. I don't want you to think this never means when we get an early storm that the season all of a sudden is going to go hyperactive on us. That's not the case. In fact, we're expecting a pretty average season. 14 storms, 7 hurricanes, 3 of those becoming major hurricanes. So Arlene is going to be indirectly affecting us in tropical moisture, but no direct impacts here. And when you talk about a tropical storm, it's usually rain, right? We're not too concerned about wind as we talk about widespread storms for tomorrow. I still think the pick of the weekend will be Sunday. Some dry air begins to work in, and so I think we'll have more isolated thunderstorms, and in fact even drier as we head into the early part of next week. So the forecast will go this way as we check in on your 7-day as well. Tomorrow we'll have mid-80s. There are the thunderstorms, but notice a lot of time during the early part of the day where we'll have plenty of sunshine as well. So I think it's going to be kind of a mixed bag. The next alert is there because the flood watch has been extended till tomorrow evening, and so we'll continue with the potential for flooding before we begin to dry things out nicely heading into Monday and early next week.